How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Today I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Perfect if you want more privacy without losing any conversation. So let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app and simply go to your DM section. Open the chat that you want to hide. Let's say this is the chat. Now simply tap on the three dots at the top and click on restrict. Here as you can see you have restricted this. Now here as you can see the person and the chat has been vanished. Now if you want to find the chat again, what you can do is simply search for the name of the person again like this, and you'll be finding the chat again. And that's it. That's how you can simply hide the chat. Now if you want to simply get the chat back on the messages section, what you can do is search for that person, click on unrestrict, and here go back, and as you can see the messages is back on the chat. And that's it. That's how you can simply hide Instagram chats without deleting them.